everybody, welcome back to my art channel. How's everything? Is your art progress okay? Or do you feel lack of art? Or maybe you're in your block period? I don't know. But if you feel down, don't continue to feel that way. Get your stuff and start sketching with me. It's easy and you have to just start. In my previous videos, I showed you how to design different homes, but actually I don't feel satisfied with my designs and I decided to create more homes for the story that I'm working on it. The story is about a bear who is living alone and who's not enjoying his life, and he prefers to stay in his own private place. But he suddenly get the chance to make a really good friendship with a woodpecker, and woodpecker does a wonderful thing to his pet, and his head turns into a lovely home for different birds. It's unbelievable, but it's really beautiful. Finally, I made my decision about Mr. Brown's home. I choose the second design I do in this video. I think it can show his lonely home and his lonely lifestyle better than other designs. What do you think? Do you agree with me or not? Thanks again for watching my video. There are also too many different videos on my channel and I wish you go there and watch them too. And please don't forget to subscribe my art channel. It makes me feel like you pay attention to my channel and it helps me to make you more and more videos. Have a good day or have a good night and see you